everybody.
Hey.
I'm Sharnice. I'm here with my head coach, Nichole, from Mobile Home Elite Investors.
Yes.
And we are on bus tour number 2 for the Elite Squad for our Elite Fast Track program. We are super excited. We're going to be walking through so many different types of mobile homes today and really educating our students on what they need to look out for. And look, we might have some secrets coming, but y'all gonna check that out later on in the video.
Listen, we go through, we show our students the park, everything they need to know on buying their first mobile home investment. Stay tuned. The seller is in the house and she is selling the house.
You heard me. You heard it. I'm ready.
How long did you live in the house?
Oh, we were here for 10 years.
When you guys want to leave? Move out?
We're moving back home with my daughter.
Oh, wow. Is this like a washroom right here?
Yes.
Does the electric work in the bathroom? The lights ain't coming on. So since it's been vacant for 2 months, what's up with the plumbing? Does the plumbing need to be updated or anything need to be renovated?
Have you had any issues, leaking?
Yeah.
leaking?
She said it's mine. What's up, everybody? I'm Nichole Briscoe, head coach for Mobile Home Elite Investors. Today, we are showing our students what a mobile home looks like. We're giving them a walkthrough, hands-on training of what they should be looking for when they're inspecting a mobile home, how to test the market, how to know how much mobile homes are reselling for. This is very key when you're ready to purchase your next mobile home. Our mentorship is a 5-week program. On the 5th week, you come meet us in person and we're getting your hands dirty so you can tap in and be 6-figure earners just like me.
Great job, everybody. Great, awesome job. I love how you guys walk through, very detailed. Great job, Kenneth, on checking those window seals, because like Nichole said, that is something that always people overlook. You were kind of able to negotiate. You was like, okay, I'll give you $9,000. Kind of still saying the value of the house. You two, but specifically Tamara, I gotta get on you. It's like the little things that I feel like you're about to just blow the whole deal. Like even something as small as like those drawers, people not looking like that. Like the average consumer not looking. Even that in the bathroom, I kind of stepped on it. I see what you're saying, but people not looking like that. So we gotta take ourselves out of it and think about what the average consumer wants. So the average consumer that's living in a mobile home park, they will walk in this mobile home and fall in love. Like this is a beautiful mobile home park. And honestly, $12,000, Nichole was being really nice. She really can get like $20,000 for this home. You see what I'm saying? So I would just say make sure not to allow yourself and what you want to like, and that's for all of you guys, to like step in front of kind of making you miss out on the deal.
And in Tamara's defense, she is having a hard time with negotiating, so she's trying to figure out, this is a perfect house. What can I pick? What can I pick at? So she's trying to find something.
Right.
So like what she said, if you walk through this house, I would just point out, like, nobody pointed out, but in that bathroom, you could tell they started painting, they stopped. So I would say stuff like, look, I really need to paint it, and I'm going to have to update this flooring stuff. So if you can at least help me out, but I know you want 12, I can really give you $9,000 today. It feels amazing to be able to meet with my students in person, because now I know they know exactly what to look for when they're looking for a mobile home. And I'm pretty sure that they can agree that it's better to have hands-on experience, right, y'all?
Absolutely.
It's better to have hands-on experience than to just have a course, someone tell you what to do, but actually physically walk you through a mobile home to show you what's going on. So if you look over here, we have our students walking through this mobile home, looking at what's actually wrong, assessing the rehab costs. Rehab costs is expensive because it can make or break a deal. We make sure that our students are equipped to walk through and to know exactly what to offer, what needs to be repaired, and actually what does not need to be repaired. Because oftentimes in mobile homes, people try to HGTV the homes when that's not necessary. Our goal is to provide clean, safe, and affordable housing.
When I first discovered it, I was just like, this can't be real. And I was just happy that Byron and Sharnice got it started and brought Nichole on. And then after I took the program and I got to see that it works, I wholesaled my first home already. And I was like, wow, it really do work. So it just basically made me very excited and just hungry for more deals. And like, I'm just hitting the ground right now. I'm just grinding away every day.
All right, hello, my name is Darren. I'm from Baltimore, Maryland. I just going to be purchasing this mobile home today. And my experience with the group, it was great. Great teachers, great learning. They'll teach you everything. They'll bring you out to the parks, bring you to the mobile home, show you around, let you know what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done. Pretty much they just show you everything from top to bottom. Great course, great group. Definitely great people as well too. And definitely help you out with everything. It was a great program, great mentorship, great everything from top to bottom, and definitely shout out to Sharnice for just everything from bringing me out here with everything for the mobile home.
Yes, so we got Darren here, one of our elite fast track students. He just purchased a home, and what I love about the mobile home elite fast track program is that we got the connections, right? I just got off the phone with our boots on the ground that's gonna help Darren through this deal. We're here in Illinois. Darren's actually from Maryland, so again, he's an out-of-towner investor, but he knows he's in great hands. We already got a handyman coming next week to walk through this home and give him some great estimates, and Darren can really potentially in the next 5 years make $30,000 to $40,000 on this one mobile home. So
thank you so much. Thank you.
So you just gotta finagle, keep playing with the numbers till you get your sweet spot.
Okay.
Right? But I don't want you to think disrespectful offer means just keep offering only $3,000 for a house.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
with-
So you want to
okay.
start. So like the $12,000 house, I knew in my mind, max, I didn't want to get her more than 10.
Okay.
But I started at 6. And she was just like, I can't, da 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 da. I'm like, listen, seriously, the most I can do is $7,500, and I don't want to be disrespectful. You can't take it, I understand. I'll go ahead and leave. She was like, okay, how about $8,000? I was like, no, she was like, okay, how about $8,500? I was like, you killing me. Come on. Well, okay, $8,000 knee in. And she was like, I promise, if we could do 85, we can be done. Well, my number was always 10. She started at 12. I started at 6.
Okay.
She's at 85. I'm with it because I was going to do 10.
Because you already was going to do 10.
And nothing has to be done to that house.
Okay.
Nothing at all has to be done to that house.
I'm Cherie Alexander. I ran across the podcast Byron and Sharnice did about a year ago, and that's when I first learned about mobile homes, that they still existed. I was looking to get into regular single-family homes before this happened, but like I said, when I ran across them, I bought that course, but I was still working a lot full-time as a nurse, and then when this program came about with the fast track, that was one of the best things, because I wanted somebody like to hold my hand. I'm that person, like, come on, like somebody I can call. The course was fine, but I couldn't call them up and say, well, what about this if I buy it like this? This course, amazing. When I say they have helped me so much in just like believing I can do it. You know, I mean, Byron, Sharnice, thank you. Nichole, with her wisdom, man, she has a gift with words. I'm gonna tell you right now, one of the mobile home parks, she just told me a whole script of like how to say it and word it. Something that I never could have done, but I thank her for that. I'm a mobile home investor now. I'm ready.
Thumbtack is a really good app for handyman and for cleaning people. To get somebody to come and clean your house, like deep clean. I found a lady on there, literally paid her $200 to come deep clean her mobile home.
I see a lot of y'all looking in the inside, but make sure you walk in the outside too. Yeah. I seen a few of y'all walk. I ain't see everybody. Just make sure you walk in the outside perimeter. Check for the roof. Check for the skirting. Remember the underbelly that's under the house? We make sure that's not sagging or has any holes in it, right?
What is this for made of? I don't even
This, I would say this is probably a laminate.
Laminate? Okay.
Yeah, because it's really nice.
Yeah,
It's nice. Cause it's it could be a pilling stick too though, because sometimes I be thinking it's laminate and they tell me it's pilling stick.
Okay.
Pilling stick is just really a cost efficient version of that.
Gotcha.
The first thing I thought was, it's not really gonna be as hands-on as they say. They ain't gonna give me something else to videos to watch and watch and watch. So I really appreciate how hands-on it is. And Nichole, she really, really holds us accountable, and that's something I absolutely appreciate. So besides being just hands-on, she's literally right there making sure I do everything that we're supposed to do to be successful.
Yeah, definitely. It actually met my expectations. When you first want to invest in a Porsche, you're like, all right, what am I going to get back? What type of return on my investment I'm going to get back? And I knew after doing the research, like most people would probably do, you realize that, yeah, this is something that could work, but will it work? Well, me taking
Exactly.
reading that ebook or taking a course by myself, well, 9 times out of 10, you may take a class or something and not actually do anything with it to actually see the return. So I knew that I needed that extra push that you get from coaching,
Exactly. Yep.
that you get, and not just a coach that you can call, but a coach that's going to bring you here on a
Right.
bus and be like, hey, we're doing this. This is the type of questions you need to ask. These are the step-by-step things you need to do in order to be successful. And look at us now.
Hands-on experience, I'm telling you. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm from Chicago. My experience with the Fast Track program was that it was amazing. It was super in-depth teaching. It was very hands-on. I don't think I would have ever got this experience on Google or trying to do it myself. It was definitely worth the money to pay for it. It really does fast track you and help you bypass any mistakes that you would have made without having a mentor. It's really been a great experience, and I definitely recommend it.
I know some of you all have been sitting on the fence about whether you should jump into. You gotta understand, in order to be successful, you have to invest in yourself. Yes, mentorship costs, but the rewards will be greater. Why? Because you're gonna have someone, not anyone, it's gonna be me, that's gonna lead you and show you the way. I'm gonna hold your hand through the entire process to make sure that you close on many deals. Not your first deal, one and done, but many deals. A lot of people don't understand that when you are stepping into this area of mobile home investing, yes, it is simpler. It's not easy, it is simpler. You'll still go through, but you gotta be willing to invest and pour into yourself. excellent day thus far. As you can see, our students behind us, we're wrapping up our bus tour, coming to a conclusion. We toured a lot of mobile homes to make sure that they answer all their questions. They knew exactly what to look for when they closed on their first mobile home. We even had our park manager on site to answer all of their questions. That being said, we even had a student that saw a home for sale, called the owner on the spot, negotiated, and got the house under contract.
So we are coming to the end of the second Elite Fast Track bus tour. Today has been so amazing. We have walked through over 5 mobile homes. We've sold a couple, connected them to handyman and an actual boots on the ground person for all of our out-of-state investors. So listen, all of those reasons right there is why you want to invest in yourself and get in this mentorship program. It's no questions asked. You got us, you got Nichole, your head coach, walking you through your entire deal, and then also getting the connections once you come and meet us in person as well. It's a no-brainer.
See, in this 5-week program, what we offer our students is the knowledge of how to acquire properties, how to know how to hire handymen, how to assess rehab work, and how to finance the deal, okay? We also teach our students how to wholesale deals. So let's say you're coming in with minimal money to get started. Wholesaling will be your exit strategy to do what? Acquire property for $0 down, sell it for a profit. Remember, in this industry, we are problem solvers. Did y'all hear that? We are problem solvers. We're helping the sellers sell their homes for whatever reason to get them where they need to be.
So for more information and to learn about all of our products, you want to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Mobile Home Elite Investors. And then you can also go to our website at www.mobilehomeeliteinvestors.com.
Elite Squad!